Good morning, everybody. I want to thank you guys for joining me on this journey. This vlog has been a lot of fun making. Gotta get things ready. It's about 4:50 a.m. So I gotta clean this mess that's behind me. Kitchen's a little messy from last night. Wifey made an amazing ketogenic pizza. Amazing. Amazing. Alright, let's go. Good morning, Mr. Rocky. What are you doing up so early, boy? It's only 5:40. I think you guys saw that time right here. And the pre-workout's kicking in.
Me, never back embedded it ever, never left, but it felt like they forget who was the one with the message to save us all from devil's lumps. One no longer the name, now it's just Gabriel James, represent Ortiz Herrera, Nuevo Mex, Duke City State. I've given so much of my soul already. The music my muses I'm using, abused and confused from whoever stole my pennies. Just get it loose, introducing a new personality. Somebody roll a lefty, taking a smoke, float higher than my hopes. Torch all of the pain, let it burn until it rains. Rising on up from the ashes. Rising on up from the ashes. Rising on up from the ashes. It's dangerous, disastrous, whatever the match is. Rising on up from the ashes. Rising on up from the ashes. Rising on up from the ashes. It's dangerous, disastrous, whenever the match is lit. Set the world on fire, let the flames kill all these liars. No more evil empires, unleash my deepest dark desires. More powerful than Jean Grey when she changed into the Phoenix. Watching the hours pass by quickly, wasted away it seems. It's been one of the hassles that cancels any chances of enhancing my placement. A record playlist, tasting greatness but just a hit. Staying high, my eyes that squint may remind my rhymes are lit. Somebody let the cage bird sing, now the world is mine again. I refuse to be part of the music problem, so I chose to use the nerve to inspire and
Just finished. Wait, oh, I gotta take these wristbands off. Anyways, just finished. Time to make the baby some motherfucking breakfast. That way we can shower and hit the lab. Let's go. Rocky's crying. That's how you do it, Rocky. Yeah, man, I was talking to my uncle. So my homie hit me up, shouts out Dice Dax. Looks like I got a fucking fingerprint on my lens. I don't even know how that got there. Oh yeah, one more thing, thank you for watching. Like, I really appreciate it, yo, for real. Like, I'm not even doing this shit well, I'm doing this shit for a lot of reasons, okay? But ultimately, I want to connect with a bunch of people. My Instagram's popping, so if you want to talk to me on Instagram, it's like the fastest way to get a hold of me. Facebook, not so much, you know, I don't use Facebook. I do, like, I make a post throughout the day and I reshare shit from people I know, but honestly, like, I abused the fuck out of my Facebook back in the day, so I don't even know what's going on with it. But Instagram, that's where you can find me. I got a Snapchat, I never post, but you can hit me up there too. And yeah, man, but thank you guys for watching the video. I appreciate you guys. Smash that like button. If you don't subscribe already, subscribe. Hit the notification bell, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace.